girlies and gents. This is Girl Beats World, and I am so excited to have you. My channel is about all things beauty, from makeup tutorials to product reviews and everything else in between. If this is your first time here, hi, I'm so happy to have you. Today, we're jumping right into a Valentine's Day look. I asked you guys on my Instagram, at Girl Beats World, if you wanted a natural glam or a full glam. You guys asked for some natural glam, so I think I pulled it off. What do you guys think? Well, you're about to get in-depth detail on exactly how to get this look. Please make sure before we get started that you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let's not waste any more time. Let's jump right into this look. Today I'm going to be using my James Charles palette. Tapping into the colors 10% No Beans first. I'm just using my Anastasia Beverly Hills to just start my transition color. I don't need this transition color to go all the way, just to the middle of my eyelid. Next, I am tapping into my Kristi by Colourpop collab collection eyeshadow. It's the Supershock shadow called Campfire. Switching to a flat brush, I'm just tapping into Supershock. I do not need any like moisture or anything. This comes on perfectly fine and it does not have any fallout. I told you guys I would give you a better look at what this looks like, so hopefully you're enjoying it. This is the At Forest Sight collection. Tapping in with the color So Good, and I'm just leaving this end piece of my eye empty because we're gonna go in there with some shadow. Next, I'm using the color Wig, and I'm just going to apply that in the inner corner and kind of help cut this crease a little bit and make it all form nicely. And I just lightly stroke the brush into that 10%. Now, using No Beans from the James Charles collection, I'm going to just blend everything right on in, right into that transition color and a little past it, and just pull all of those beautiful colors in like so. And we don't want to disrupt all our pretty work on the inner corner, so we just want to keep it nice and high. I'm now going to use the color Spooky and just smoke out my lash line. It doesn't need to be too dramatic because we are going to do a teeny little fox eye to pull this look together, but you just smoke it out using a really tiny brush like so. And I pulled it out to have a baby wing. For my lashes today, I will be using my Miami 3D Mink lashes. So as I let the lash glue dry, I'm going to start with the mascara first. Then I'm going to just place it right onto my lash line and press it on in. These are super dramatic lashes, so I love them so much. And you can see this look is literally taking me no time at all because I wanted it to be sexy but simple enough, but still teach you guys some of the latest trends and cute looks that have been going on lately. Using that same flathead smudge brush, I'm going to line just the bottom line of my eye just to give it some glitter, some shimmer. You want to get as close to the lash line as you can. And then using the color Spooky from the James Charles palette, I'm just going to line that again and give it a little smokiness, not too much. Next, I'm going to take my black eyeliner and just draw from where that lash starts into the inner corner of the eye and pull it down, and then pull it across till a point. And I'm also gonna pull it all the way under, but I wanna go underneath where that shimmer is, not on top of it, because I want my shimmer to stay, but not too low. And then we're gonna add some mascara to that as well, just to give it a little drama, but still keep that shimmer throughout the look. And if you get a little bit on your nose or on your face like me, no worries. Just let it dry and it should scrape right on off. The last step of this look, I thought it wasn't dramatic enough. So I went in with Spooky with that same Anastasia Beverly brush, and I just kind of shaded it in a little bit just to deepen it out. You want to do this with your eyes partially open so you can make sure you don't go too far and too dark. Just like that. Okay, let's do some lipstick. So we are about to line our lips using Koala from Juvia's Place. And we're gonna start with just a light line. Everyone does red, everyone does pink. Today I wanted to show you how to get this look with a perfect nude. And you know, if you want to do a red or a pink, on my last live I did an amazing red, and I think I'm gonna do a sexy pink lip for my second look. So I wanted to give you guys a couple varieties for Valentine's Day, okay? Because this is my holiday. This is not because I have a bunch of Valentines, but I like getting sexy and cute. Okay, now I'm going in with Juvia's Place Shakira. And I'm just blotting my lips. This is my first time using this color. I'm not crazy in love with it, but it's nice, it's okay. Now I'm going back in with Koala, and I'm going to go a heavy line. We're gonna line the hell out of this. We're gonna color in. This is not kindergarten. You do not have to stay between the lines. You're gonna color right inside of them. And then we're gonna go real sharp on the outside. Nice heavily lined lip. And then you're going to do the same for the bottom. It's just really hard finding like a super dark lip liner that's not like a black eyeliner like we used to do in the 90s. That still looks good, but yeah. It just takes a couple layers and you'll get it. And then we're going to use some clear lip gloss, and we're gonna go heavy on the lip gloss. Using our finger, we're gonna tap that lip gloss right on in, so that way everything doesn't just like blur together to make brown, you know? You wanna go heavy on the lip gloss. And this is just a clear. And give it a second to set. Just because it blended it a little bit, I am gonna put a little bit more Shakira on top. Oh my God, yes, honey. Don't these lips look like something you want to kiss? Okay, so that is it, ladies and gents. I hope you enjoyed this Valentine's Day Girl Beats World special. If you did, please make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. And remember, whether you have a Valentine or a Galentine, you are loved. Until next time, bye, girlies and gents.